S'il vous plaît, monsieur.
Pourriez-vous m'indiquer où cela se trouve?
Bien sûr. Au bout, là, vous prenez la première à droite.
À droite?
C'est ça.
Merci.
Et vous, monsieur, alors? Allez, messieurs, dames, vous voulez essayer?
Marcello said you wanted to see me. The dessert.
Good news.
Yes, good news.
What is it?
We sent such a glowing report of your performance here to French intelligence headquarters. You've been reassigned.
Reassigned?
A prize mission, I'd say.
Working with one of France's most unique.
Yes, unique.
Unique,
is the word.
unique intelligence officers.
Well, who?
Colonel Clouseau.
Colonel Clouseau?
Oh, yes, you'll learn a great deal from him.
I think.
Yes, it'll be a once-in-a-lifetime experience.
I
yes.
imagine. But you must hurry. You have to be in Amsterdam by Tuesday evening to meet your contact.
Well, who? What? When?
Beerstrasse Square. Light a match, and a blind man will tell you where to meet Colonel Clouseau. Goodbye.
Well,
I hear the price of cabbage is high this year.
Not as high as the price of beets. Beets are outrageous.
On the other hand, carrots are a dime a dozen. I'd stock up on them if I were you.
About time.
I've been lighting matches out here for 2 hours. Haven't you seen me?
Of course not. I'm blind, you idiot. Right. It's Prague.
Deep enemy territory, huh?
Now then, here are your papers and your train tickets.
Right.
You'll take tomorrow morning's Prague Express. You'll go to apartment 7P, 150 Vlaska Street.
Right.
You'll wait for a phone call that'll come on the 8th at precisely 1200 hours.
That's all? I just wait 3 days in an apartment for a phone call?
Do as you're told. But don't be conspicuous. This call is of vital importance. The entire outcome of the war could depend on it. And remember, they'll only call once.
Okay.
Here's your disguise.
So what am I this time?
You'll be traveling in ladies' underwear.
What? No, I won't. I'm not
As
gonna
a
travel.
salesman of ladies' underwear.
Right.
Now, here are your samples. Now, under no circumstances must you call any attention to yourself.
Right.
Your name is Amadeus Schubelgruber.
Amadeus Schubelgruber? Who makes up these things?
I do.
Dat is dan 3 stuivers. Maar ik zou dat damesondergoed dat je verkoopt ook nemen.
Oh, kijk, hij verkoopt damesondergoed.
No, I've got a train to catch. No, put those back. Let go. No. No, it doesn't go with your eyes. Give it back. Pardon.
So, how's the ladies' underwear business?
Cabbage.
Cabbage.
Aren't you Clouseau?
How do you know I'm Clouseau?
Cabbage.
You have the stinking cabbage.
I know it's a code word. You're supposed to say beets.
Beets?
Cabbage.
Beets?
Cabbage.
Beets?
Cabbage.
Beets?
Cabbage.
Beets! Ah, yes, yes, of course, I forget. But you must not talk to me. It is too dangerous. Here is the key to the apartment. You must only contact me when there is a problem.
I thought we were supposed to work together.
Only if you are in trouble, and only if you are in serious trouble. You understand? Now, go.
No phone? Where's the phone? Where's the phone? Excuse me, ma'am. Where's my phone?
The phone is not there.
I know it's not there. Where is it gone?
Gone. Taken by the authorities.
Why?
Authorities do not say why they do these things.
But I must have a telephone. I'm expecting a very important call in 2 days.
If you want to know more, you should go to the Ministry of Telephones.
Ministry of Telephones. Right. Thank you. Chronicles, so we have a problem.
Beets.
What?
Beets is a good word.
Cabbage.
Beets.
Okay, look, there's no telephone in the apartment.
But that is not right.
You're right, it's not right, it's wrong. How can I get the call if there's no telephone?
Then you must go to the Ministry of Telephones and get yourself a telephone.
What?
I said you must go to the
I know. Fine. Hello?
Yes?
I need a telephone.
Installations. First floor, first on the right.
Right, thank you.
Just one moment, sir.
Yes?
You must have a phone.
Right. Thank you.
What kind of phone do you want?
Just like the one they took out, I guess.
They took your phone out.
Yes, ma'am. Someone from here.
We only deal with new installations here. If you already have a phone, then you must go to reconnections.
Well, you see, I don't actually have a phone.
Second floor, second on the right.
Right, thank you.
Your form. It must never be forgotten.
So, what kind of a phone do you have?
I don't have any kind of a telephone. I told you, someone from the ministry came along and took it.
Well, there's nothing for us to reconnect then, is there?
But the woman from New Installation said...
Look, how can we reconnect you if you don't have a phone? It's impossible. I mean, if someone has removed your telephone, the people for you to see are, phone removals. Stands to reason, doesn't it?
And where are phone removals?
Third floor, third on the right.
Thank you.
Oh, by the way, don't forget your form.
If the removals department had removed your phone, sir, there'd be a form recording it. And as you can see, there isn't one. So we can't have removed it. Naturally, therefore, we can't replace it.
Perhaps someone removed it, but didn't fill out a form.
In other words, a theft.
Well, no, not necessarily.
Well, quite clearly, a theft. Which solves your problem. If your phone has been stolen, then we can replace it immediately.
Really? It's great. It was a theft.
Now, all you have to do is to take this form down to police headquarters and report the theft and get them to stamp it there. Then take it to the Ministry of Insurance, make a claim for compensation for the goods stolen, and get them to stamp it there. Then you finally bring it back here. I stamp it to show that it's been duly authorized. Then you take it to the Reconnections. Reconnections takes it to installations. The man at the front desk can take it to the works. And before you can say, snap, you have a new phone. What could be simpler?
I can't imagine.
But the crucial thing is, don't lose that form. Because if you do, we can't give you another. Do you understand?
Absolutely. Excuse me, sir. Excuse me, pardon? I need to get off, please.
Non, ça c'est un dommage!
I'm in trouble. They want me to go to the Ministry of Police.
The police? That is dangerous.
I know.
We are in the heart of enemy territory. The police must not find out that you are a spy. Otherwise, they will shoot you.
What should I do?
You must go to the police. You must get their telephone. And then you must check back here with me at 1800 hours.
Hi. I would like to report a stolen telephone. And I'd also like to get a stamp right here so I can go to the Ministry of Insurance and make a claim.
Certainly, sir. If you'd just like to fill out this form, and we'll see to it immediately.
Thank you. All of it?
Oh, yes. Can't leave anything out, can we? That's perfectly in order, sir. Only you've written it in Czech.
Of course I wrote it in Czech.
As part of the Austro-Hungarian Empire, all forms must of course be completed in German.
German?
Never mind, sir. I have another one here. Won't take you long. Very well, Herr Schubelgruber. You can go with the constables now.
If you will just sit down there, sir. We will call you shortly.
Amadeus Schubelgruber?
Yes.
Ah, there you are. Come in.
Well, you realize this is very serious.
What is serious?
Come along. Don't play games with us. You know exactly what we're talking about.
No, I don't. I came here to report the theft of a telephone.
That's what they all say.
At first.
Now come along, Herr Schubelgruber. It'll go easier with you if you make a full confession immediately.
Confession to what?
What would you like to start with? We have plenty of time, you know.
But I haven't done anything.
That's a good one. He hasn't done anything. He said he hasn't done anything.
Stop wasting our time, Schubelgruber, and make a full confession.
It's all prepared for you. Just sign it.
This is our last chance.
But I have nothing to confess to. I came here to get a form stamp for the Ministry of Phones. That's the whole story. Very well. That's that.
Next.
What's going on? What's...
Case number 435, Amadeus Schubelgruber. How do you plead? Guilty? Or not guilty?
I don't. I just came here to report a missing telephone.
You mean you're telling us you're neither guilty nor not guilty?
I'm trying to tell you that I'm innocent.
No one is innocent, Herr Schubelgruber. We are all guilty of something, are we not?
Well, that may be possible, but it doesn't mean that everyone ends up in court because of it.
More's the pity. The world would be a better place if you did. Now, how do you plead?
Well, how can I plead if I don't know what I'm accused of?
You are accused, Schubelgruber, of infringing Article 114 of the Criminal Code.
With which, of course, all loyal citizens of the Austro-Hungarian Empire are perfectly familiar.
Yeah, sure.
Your plea is, therefore?
Well, not guilty, but
You have shown utter contempt for processes of law and justice, which have taken 2,000 years to develop. You should be ashamed to raise your head in public.
For trying to fill in a form?
It's men like you, Schubelgruber, who let loose anarchy in the land, who gnaw away at the obedience and faith which glue society together. If your kind triumphed, our entire civilization would blow like dust into the cold, bleak wastelands of universal chaos!
Well, where's the evidence?
I think we have all the evidence we need, Herr Schubelgruber. In your own hand.
Okay, look. The real reason that I came here...
Guilty.
What?
Guilty as charged.
Wait, no, wait a minute. The only reason that I'm here is to report my telephone is missing. I didn't do anything wrong. Listen to me. You can't do this to me. I'm innocent. I've never done anything to anyone. Hello? You're not listening. Hey! This has all just been a terrible mistake. Everything's just been a big error.
You are claiming you are here as a result of an error?
Yes, that's it. That's exactly what I'm claiming.
So?
What? Oh!
You have to fill in one of these.
There's a form for this?
Of course, there is a form for everything. Here is the pencil.
Thanks.
Come with me.
Where are we going?
To the Department of Errors, naturally.
Every single administrative error in the entire Austro-Hungarian Empire is documented here. It is a fine collection, is it not? Herr Schubelgruber?
It's awe-inspiring.
Thank you.
I just wanted to report a missing phone so I could make a claim with the Ministry of Insurance. And I was interrogated and tried and...
Everything seems to be in order. You may go.
What?
Take this. The sergeant at the front desk will show you out.
You don't mean that?
Well, of course I mean it. It is my job to correct administrative errors, and you clearly have been the victim of one. Goodbye.
This is incredible. It says, well, he says that I could go.
That's right, sir. Through there.
Sir, do you think that if it's no trouble, that could I get...
Stamp it?
Yeah.
Certainly, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Where have you been, huh? Have you got the telephone? You are a day late. Do not you realize how important this assignment is? I thought that something terrible had happened to you. Huh? Well, what do you have to say for yourself?
Nothing.
Nothing?
You see this?
Of course I see this.
And this stamp?
Huh?
And this stamp?
Huh?
All I need is the stamps from the Ministry of Insurance. And I have my telephone.
You have only 20 hours left. The fate of the civilized world depends upon your receiving this telephone call.
The fate of the civilized world is in good hands. All I need is a stamp right here from the Ministry of Insurance, showing that I've made a claim. Can you help me?
You'll need to fill in the form first.
Right, of course I'll need to fill in
The number of the form is 27A.
Okay.
Go to the last desk on the right.
Last desk. There, form 27A. No. 27A? No, you don't. 27A? No? No? I've already been here.
Nein, ich habe es nicht. Du bitte mit mir.
What?
Ah. Upstairs. The first on the right.
Upstairs. I'm not leaving without Form 27A. I need Form 27A to get this form stamped. And I'm not leaving without it! I'm not! Not!
They said you want Form 27A?
Yes, that's what they told me. I went to 4 different desks in 4 offices, and everyone said that someone else had it!
Well, nobody has it. Form 27A has been superseded by Form 27B.
What?
I thought everybody knew that.
This is absolutely ridiculous. All I want is a new phone. I went to the Ministry of Phones, and my form blew out the window. And then I went out on the ledge, and a pigeon knocked it into the street. And then a man stepped on it. And then I had to chase after a tram. And then a woman hit me with her handbag. And so I went to the police. They made me fill it out in German. And then they gave me the 3rd degree. And then they put me in jail.
What you're trying to say is you're upset.
No, I'm not upset. I'm incandescent with rage! What if I took your telephone? Huh? What if I steal your telephone? And then you'd have to go through everything that I've gone through to get it back, and you'd go insane!
The thing is, you're also in the wrong office. I investigate industrial accidents. But to be honest with you, I feel like a break. Shall I come round with you and see if we can track this thing down together?
You need help me?
Why not?
Yeah, that'd be great.
My name is Kafka, Franz Kafka.
Indiana Deus Schubelgruber.
This way, Mr. Schubelgruber. Form 27B is a little hard to get hold of because they didn't print enough. In fact, there's only one person in the entire building with a supply of them, and he's a little, how shall I say, anonymous.
What do you mean anonymous?
Well, he works in here. It's all right, though. I think I can track him down. Excuse me. Excuse me? Hello. He's usually at this desk. Must be further back. Strange, isn't it? The higher up one gets, the more anonymous it all seems to become. Well, this must... Could you tell me where Anton is? Excuse me, where is Anton Dvorak? is his desk. But where is he?
It's not here either. Forget it, George. Oh, Franz! Thank you, George. Franz, how nice it is to see you. How good of you to drop by.
It's nice to see you too, Anton. I'm helping a friend, Herr Amadeus Schubelgruber here. He needs Form 27B.
Well, you have come to the right place, because I have all the Form 27Bs in the entire ministry right here.
You do. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Well, I can't give you one. I lost the key. It's been several days now. I have no idea where it is.
Never mind, Anton. Just get the janitor to bring you a new key.
It's an ideal solution. But in order for the janitor to come, he must have Form 103C, and Form 103C is in the second cabinet.
I don't believe this.
It is a little unexpected. On the other hand, we're not going to be defeated by bureaucracy, are we, Herr Schubelgruber? If the janitor won't come to the filing cabinet, we must take the filing cabinet to the janitor. Right, Anton?
Certainly. Why not? Gentlemen.
Where's the janitor?
In the basement. How are we going to get it down the steps?
We can use this hoist.
Ah. Excellent.
We'll tie this rope to it and lower it down. Okay, I'll hold the rope. You push it off the steps on 3.
Good idea.
1, 2, 3. I got it. I got it. It's okay. Got it. It's okay. Don't move. Just get up very slowly. No. No!
Form 27B. Herr Schubelgruber, your problems are over.
Mr. Kafka, I'll never forget this.
Oh, you can even make bureaucracy interesting, if you have a little imagination.
Thank you.
Ah, what a trial.
this take?
The installation team will be with you first thing in the morning. That is the 8th at 9 a.m.
Was that definitely? Because I'm expecting a very important phone call at 1200 hours. The phone really has to be working by then.
Look, all the paperwork has been completed. Everything is in order. I guarantee the phone will be installed by 9:15.
9:15? But you'll only have a couple of hours to spare. Don't you think that you are cutting it a little fine?
Well, if I were in charge of this operation, I'd have made sure I rented an apartment with a phone in it.
Oh. All I can say is that telephone is not installed in the apartment first thing in the morning, I will have you shot as a traitor.
Will be. What's up? Clouseau, what are you doing here?
How do you know that I am Clouseau? Ah! I came to make sure that the telephone was installed.
You don't trust me? What do you think, I'm incompetent? I can't get a single telephone installed? What do you think, I'm an imbecile? Some kind of fool, an idiot?
Yes. That telephone call is going to come through in 1 hour. Now, where is the telephone?
She's not here yet.
What? What?
Well, they promised me that it would be here. That's it. I told you. Hi. Hi, am I glad to see you?
We're from the Ministry of Telephones, and we're here to install your instrument.
I know. This is great. Come on in.
Lovely. Where do you want it, sir?
Oh, over here will be fine.
Very good. Then we'll install it right here.
Okay. That's great. That's wonderful.
A pleasure, sir. Well, we'll be off now.
Excuse me. I guess you'll connect it up now, right?
Connect it up? To the wires, you mean?
Well, yeah, to the wires.
We're telephone installers, Mr. Schubelgruber. We wouldn't dream of connecting them. No. That's connections, that's right. Naturally. Of course. That's an entirely different department.
And when will connections get here?
A couple of weeks from today, they'll be knocking on your door and your phone will be working in no time.
A couple of weeks.
You can guarantee it.
They're not going to install the phone for a couple of weeks.
I heard that, you idiot. Now get me out of here.
The handle just broke.
What time is it?
Oh my God, we've only got 20 minutes.
Go and hook up the telephone.
Right.
Hook up the wire to the pearl outside the window.
The wire's too short. I'm gonna go to the store and buy an extension cable.
We do not have time for that. Wait. I think that I can see the telephone cable in here. All you have to do is to pull hard.
Right.
And make it reach.
That wasn't the telephone cable, it was an electrical cable.
Just my little mistake. Don't just stand there. Find the telephone cable.
Okay, I've got it.
How much time do we have left?
10 minutes.
Connect the telephone cable to the pole outside the window. Hurry up! Hurry up! Hurry up! For God's sake, hurry up. I have to go. Oui, oui.
Co pak to tam člověk na noci dělá? Teď se zbláznil snad. Na tom světě dneska se dějou věci. To je příšerný.
Hurry! Only 3 minutes left.
It's hooked up. It's working.
And not a moment too soon. Now get me out of here.
Stillgestanden! Sobald wir den Befehl erhalten, werden wir uns zum Flussufer begeben. Wir werden dort übernachten und sehen, was uns so in Gefahr bringt.
That's it. It's 12 o'clock.
Huh?
Where's the phone call?
Check the connection. Answer the telephone!
Schubelgruber here!
Amadeus Schubelgruber?
Yes.
Hang on a minute!
I'm doing that.
You have to go to Berlin, 107 Friedrichstraße.
Yes, and do what?
And arrange to have...
Arrange to have what?
A telephone installed.
What?
What could be easier?
Yeah, sure. What could be easier?